Endnotes, tracking changes to legislation over time. Welcome to the Federal Register of Legislation video series on compilations. This video will explain how to use Endnotes to access the history of an act or instrument. It will explain what Endnotes are and where to find them. Endnotes appear at the end of a compilation. They show how the law has changed over time and give information about the version of the law you are viewing. Let's look at the Water Act 2007. Here, Endnote 1 gives information about the structure of the endnotes. Endnote 2 describes the abbreviations used in the endnotes. For example, S means section. Endnote 3 is the legislation history. It is a table that sets out key details about the legislation and titles that have changed it over time. For example, the first entry describes the Water Act 2007 as initially assented to. In the second entry, we can see that the Statute Law Revision Act 2008 was the first act to amend it, on March 3, 2008. Endnote 4 is the amendment history. This table tracks how provisions have changed over time, citing the act or instrument that made that change and what type of change it was. Refer to Endnote 2 for help understanding abbreviations. For example, we can see that sections 14 through to 18 were all repealed by Act No. 139, 2008, whereas Section 6A was added by Act No. 111, 2023. To find out when it was added, check the Act in the legislation history. Check out our other videos for more help with using the register.